Hi everybody, it's 11:32 and 17 seconds on July 12th, Thursday, July 12th. This is the drawing for the New Mutants 98, the raw copy. Josh and Howard are on the same page. What happened was Josh definitely commented before Howard based on the timestamp, but it didn't show up, at least on my end. So I originally gave the spot to Howard, but confirmed via the timestamp that Joshua was first asking for spot 18. So Josh did get spot 18. So here we are, the 18 filled spots. Okay, just so everybody can see. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number 9. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 9th roll will win the book. I'm going to try to actually ship it out in today's mail. Worst case, Friday the 13th. Alright, here we go. Best of luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the final one. 9, spot 10, Jacob Miller. Congratulations. Time is 11:33 and 30